Get ready for some intense moments. This video will bring you the most thrilling wild animal encounters. Watch as fierce dogs take on a Komodo dragon and see who is the boss. This lizard is being attacked by a pack of fierce dogs. This ferocious dog followed the lizard all the way. This time it was a pack of fierce dogs attacking the lizard. The dog tried to bite the lizard's head and drag it ashore. And the dog caught its prey. This Komodo dragon can weigh up to 166 kilograms. With their venom, they are not afraid of any predators. Like now, it easily grabs a monkey. The Komodo dragon is attacking a baby goat. It deals a fatal blow to the baby goat's neck. The baby goat is still not completely defeated but can escape. After attacking the upper body, it continues to attack the lower part of the prey. This is when it pulls its prey away and kills them. The lizard is very calm in front of domesticated animals. In the face of a strong enemy, the dogs begin to feed. This time it's Komodo's very professional hunting. The prey still screams incessantly at the brutality of the predator. After the prey is completely dead, the Komodo is trying to swallow it. Today, it's the hunt of the giant Komodo with monkey prey. The monkey doesn't seem to have sensed the danger yet. The Komodo is moving its large body towards its prey. The small prey is easily caught by the Komodo. The Komodo clamps the monkey's head. Another giant Komodo appeared. They all devour their prey after defeating them. Two Komodos are fighting for prey. But one was able to swallow its prey. Looks like they're used to these kinds of battles. The fights with the same kind are as intense as the hunts. Like other animals, they will fight until someone gets hurt. And actually one of them was injured. The Komodo dragon is known as one of the fiercest creatures on the planet. They can quickly attack its prey without warning. It attacks with a very fast speed. The goat was caught by 3 Komodo dragons. They tear their prey apart when there are 3 predators here. This is the moment a dragon Komodo is stalking its prey. The deer was still drinking water until it was attacked. The deer was still caught off guard. It was a wrong move. With an only bite, the Komodo can take down its prey. It bit the deer's leg. The deer was injured by the Komodo's venomous bite. This time the opponent of the Komodo is python. With the large size, who will be the winner? And the Komodo caught the python. The moments of struggle of two large reptiles. The python is also not weak, fighting back to the Komodo vehemently. The Komodo is still struggling to stun its prey. But the python is so strong. Until the python is completely defeated. The Komodo will drag its prey away and devour it. The Komodo is still searching for its prey. In the forest, there is a pole monkey that died. The Komodo sniffed its prey, quickly approaching. It's gobbling up a meal alone. It is trying to drag its large prey away, to avoid the stealing of others. It quickly tore its prey. What a scary carnivore. It continues to drag its prey. And somewhere, continue to enjoy their meal. Thank you for watching till the end of this video. What do you think of these wild animals battles? Leave your comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos.